Good evening, guys. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to another trade recap video. In this video, I'm looking at this 0.88 setup again. As you can see on the 15-minute time frame, we got this from the fib level from the top of this move to the bottom of the move. Currently at the 8.8, and we formed a wick, a nice little wick. Zooming in, you can see that the purple line is the 0.88 level, and the red line is this high just above. You can see, and my entry was the acceptance back below that high, which is nice and aggressive. Um, so because I've seen it before where we have the 0.88 level, but we also have a high there, SFP high. So you can see we swept it, got a nice wick, started rejecting nicely off it. I got in on the acceptance back below, and as you can see, we are also back below the 0.88. Now I'll show you guys the actual trade, which is what I need to do. You can see here, this is on the 1 minute time frame. I got in right there, just as we got below that high. So yeah, I mean, now we wait. If I just copy that price, the middle there, copy, put it into my TP. Not expecting too much. Yeah, it's a bit of an aggressive entry. Stop loss is rather tight, but my stop loss is also $400. So, I mean, should work, right? But anyway, I'm gonna go shower now, so we'll see what happens. All right, guys, welcome back to the update. Well, as you can see here, that's where I was shorting. That's where my TP was set, and that happened pretty much overnight. Although TP was at like 10:30, but I was asleep by then. So yeah, overnight for me, and I could show you the trade. That was the trade. It should have been 2.8, but because of the fees and the swap fee and the commission fee, it was basically 2.3, which is all right. And I took one trade today, but I lost because I managed risk well. I wasn't too confident, so I only risked 250. But yeah, getting there, getting there. Just wanted to show you that it's golden zone to the 0.88 to the golden zone, sorry. Setup was a delight. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Cheers.